Laura Handke here, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And today I wanted to talk about Lisa Brumm of My Financial Girlfriend. Lisa is the founder and CEO of My Financial Girlfriend, which is here in the Portland area. And Lisa and I actually met several years ago through a women's networking organization, and I liked her right away. She has an effervescent personality, and prior to COVID-19 days, she was always the first to take a group selfie. And she is committed, she says, to helping women achieve financial empowerment. She says, My Financial Girlfriend is dedicated to changing the financial industry, bridging the gap between shame and hope for possibilities, and providing approachable strategies with simplicity. And she emphasizes one size doesn't fit all. And this is from Lisa's website. She says, we believe everyone deserves to speak to and plan with a licensed financial pro. Some of our clients are broke and need help getting out of debt as a start. Some have millions and need to plan wisely for their future and heirs, or give to charity and not get wiped out by taxes. Most are somewhere in between. And that's why we know one size doesn't fit all. We will educate you based on your unique situation, financial as well as who you are and what you wish to take care of, and how to build and to save more of what you earn for your best interests. And our transparent fee structure means you're never left guessing what you'll be charged. So check out Lisa Brumm with My Financial Girlfriend. And if you'd like some help with longevity with your voice, with vocal empowerment, or if you just don't like the way you sound on video, give me a call, reach out to me at laurahandke.com, schedule a free consultation, and you can find me right here on LinkedIn.